Gwe yakatandika oba a planning okutandika poultry farming, especially layers, watching eno video paka wesembayo paka weggwako, maybe osobola ofunamu some good information enakuyamba okununula faamu yo ate enakuyamba okudevelopinga. Sili bulungi nnyo olwaleero, I'm sorry emanga soogeza maanyi ndi mulwadde naye so mbadde njagala obbagamba omwaka oguwedde gwonna abasinga ku mmwe mwakatandika okundaba wano eno, it's because nakatandika okuteekayo zino videos eza farming naye natandika dda era tulina YouTube channel ebaddengako ezo video oba okuli ezo video bagiyita on the farm. So mbadde nga last year mbadde nkolanga farm visits oba abantu ne ba meetinga ne to having lessons and all that, but mbadde nkola that on the individual basis. N'abantu abasinga badde bava ku YouTube kubanga ano ku TikTok mbadde sibikola naye abantu kyaka bansuseeko obungi, so nyinza obutasobola kutuukiriza kye mbadde nkola last year, because last year mbadde nsobola okikola ne meeting ng'abantu 5 owiiki naye kati abantu bangi, ate kati natadde videos ku TikTok muli bangi mu inbox. So first of all I would like to apologize to each and everyone gwe sinnaba kuddamu oba oli ku TikTok oba oze ku WhatsApp yange, I'm really sorry naye I'm really busy ate sobola kuattendinga ku buli omu, jjukira buli omu abuuza kibuuzo kikye. So naye nga I promise nja baddamu mpola mpola era I'm trying my level best kuba buli kimu nkikola nzekka right now. So omwaka oguwedde mbadde nkolanga visi oba ne meeting omuntu oba ne nkola online teaching, naye this year mbadde njagala tukikyuseemu. I wanted us to start doing seminars. Now these are going to be like really simple seminars for starters. I'm planning to organize maybe a meetup ku buli muntu yenna ayagala okwongerako amagezi ku bya farming oba ku bya poultry, kuba ekituufu kiri nti sola bawa information yonna gye mwagala wano eno, especially ebintu ebiri free. Yes, I try but I cannot give you each and everything because nange okuyiga byenjiga so ebisinga mbiteekamu ssente. I paid for consultations, nze nasoma nagenda mu seminars nakola ki, kyova olaba maybe sifuna buzibu mu nkoko zino. So oba planning okutandika poultry farming beera ready okuteekamu. But anyway, reason lwaki nkoze no video mbadde njagala bagamba nti nnyinza obutamiitinga muntu kinoomu as soon like mangu ddala naye ate ndi ku planning ekintu ekinene at least we tusobola okuŋŋaanira ffenna ne tufuna amagezi era ne mbaleetera ne ba experts abalala kubanga sola balimba nti buli kimu nkimanyi, nange nkyayiga wadde nga mmazeemu ebbanga naye kuyiga tekukoma. So I also want to bring other people ba experts babasomese ku bintu by'enkoko, olunda otya, otandika otya, how to start small, how to develop, biki byonna, obulwadde, buli kimu. So mba njagala at least as you interact with me you also interact with other people. So that is what I'm planning to do. So comment in the comment section oba muli willing okwattendinga ezo seminars zengenda okukola, kuba aba YouTube bo bali okay naye ku TikTok simanyi, so kiba kiyambako nnyo. So that's what I wanted to tell you in this video. Thank you. Currently I've been wanting to share a few things and a few days on the farm with me, but I don't know what happens. Every time I go I just get so busy, I get fixed and I do not film. So this video I did not even film it, my brother did. He was like, it's been long since you filmed because I've been so busy and we are building another chicken coop, a big one. We are working on this, working on that because we are expanding. We make it an issue to expand at least each and every after 3 or 2 months or 3 months or 4 months. So it's been really tough. Now you guys are currently previously I started posting on TikTok. I lost my on the farm account on TikTok, so I opened up another account, my lifestyle account. So because I deleted all my accounts. I deleted a 10K account, and then I think another one was 3K, and then I lost another one that was around 1.5, something like that, but I lost that. I can't access it. I don't know why. So when I started this, I one day said, "Ah, let me just post this video, maybe for someone out there who has been demoralized by people and other maybe chicken farmers or poultry farmers who have made it, and then they have been demoralized. I know it happens. It happened to me, and I don't wish it to happen to anyone." So when I posted a video, it really went viral. I just started my TikTok account, and boom, within 24 hours, I think we were at around 600. I was like, oh, what is this? So it is doing well, and people are so interactive. Like, they are on TikTok, they interact, they ask questions. Most of them are in my inbox. I realized people want to learn. I realized people are lacking. Maybe they don't have the right motivators. I realize people need to be motivated by maybe young farmers, or people need to relate, because you cannot, it is so hard for you to go to someone who has got maybe 30K birds, and then you ask for motivation when you have 5 millions. It's going to be hard. That person may even disguise you or disrespect you because they feel like, oh, you have little. It happened to me, and I don't want that to happen to anyone. So I've been having or getting or receiving lots and lots of messages, and I realize people want to learn. People really want to learn. People need that information. So I was like, let me use my page to educate others. Let me do my best. Maybe other people will join me on the way. So currently, I've been okay. Last year, the whole of last year, I've been meeting people, but on the individual basis from YouTube. Those people who want to start poultry farming, those people who want to learn, those people who are making inquiries, consultation, and all that. But I realized this year we've added, like, we've got so many subscribers, and fortunately, they want to learn, and the people come in my inbox. Unfortunately, I cannot meet each and every one. And another thing, majority want to come on my farm, and unfortunately, we do not welcome visitors on our farm anymore because of some things. And this is an advice: when you start a chicken farm, do not make a mistake that we made. Do not, it's not a visiting place. Just do your thing. Don't take people there, because honey bunch, it can cost you a lot. So I realized I cannot welcome each and everyone on my farm, and I decided to come up with something, maybe something that can benefit us all. Now, I've been doing online. If you cannot manage what I'm going to talk about, you can still do online, or we can still do meetups, and I also do farm visits. Okay, but this year I want to start doing seminars. Now, here, you know that we are doing poultry farming. We are also doing maize farming. Maize farming, I started it actually way back before I started chicken farming. But for this first seminar, we are going to be focusing on a poultry farming, specifically layers. So there are so many things that I cannot teach you in these videos. There is a lot of information that I cannot give you here, because what's my catch if I give you everything, I also paid for everything, for things, for seminars, for it. Like, what's my catch, But I tried my level best. So we are going to have a seminar. We're going to have an interactive seminar where we're going to educate young farmers or aspiring poultry farmers, but we're going to focus, this time we're going to focus on the layers, and then maybe the next seminar we shall focus on others. Guys, my microphone just decided to black out, but yeah, that is the announcement that I had, or I have today. We are going to start making seminars, and we shall be learning about different things. In the future, I said in the future, we shall also include I think goats farming, but that is not in place right now. We are still working on other things, but right now we are going to focus on chicken farming and then maize farming. So if you're interested, please leave a comment in the comment section. Kindly share this video because you never know, someone out there may be interested and maybe they don't know where to get the information from. This is going to be really affordable and it's going to be interactive. It's going to be at least it's going to be effective enough for someone to start, or to start and push themselves into becoming better farmers. So kindly don't sleep on this video. Like it, share it on your statuses. You just put a link on your status because so many people are there, they want to start this project and they don't know how. So many people are out there, they want to start and they don't know whether they have is enough, or whether the amount of money they have can do something, or the space and all that. So people are still struggling to start due to different reasons, and I want to eliminate that. I would like to encourage everyone to start from where they are and from with what they can afford to start with. So this is going to be a seminar for everyone. If you have someone who would like to work with, just kindly send them to represent you. Send them. Just I'll be giving you the information and what you need to do to attend this seminar. It's going to really be very easy and simple. I'm not going to make things difficult. So if you've started, or if you're planning to start, come and join us. Come and get information. Come and interact with experts. Know where to get the service providers. Know what not to do, the do's and don'ts, how to start, how to plan, and all that. So keep locked on this channel. I'm going to be giving you the information that you need to about the seminar, and I hope to see you attending. Thank you very much. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.